Hi everyone, this is Zubi from moneycrate.com and I just wanted to make a quick video just to show you how well I'm doing with Yoonla Evolve and that I'm making money online and that you could do the same as long as you're willing to act, because if you act you will see results. No action will get you no results. So just to quickly go over, you would have put your name here and email address in here. And if you haven't joined Yoonla, what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description, and what will happen is you will join my team if you join through that link. And through that link, what will happen is I'll put you in touch with myself in a Facebook group, and I'll show you how I make money online, exactly what I do. So you would have put your name and email address in here, which is step one of two, and then you would have had to confirm that email address by going to your email and confirming to Yoonla that that is your email address. Then you would have come to a page like this, and you would have had to set your password. And so there's my email address, and what I'll do is I'll log in for you so that you can see. Now everyone has access to this. You all have access to this. Just use your own email address and the password you set, and you're able to come into this side of the membership, which is free, and it gives you all this information for free. You don't have to pay anything to watch these videos. Now, if I quickly play this, this is a video. That is Reno, by the way, and what happens is, in order to make money online, you have to do steps 1 to 7. Now, steps 1 to 7 is fundamental in any marketing company. What you're paying for is a get response account and a Yahoo small business account. Even if you don't promote Yoonla, you still need those two things in order to make money online. Now, what will happen is, just before I go and show you, you can see there it's 7:45. But just to confirm what the time is, I'll go to Google and put the email address. Sorry, yeah, what I'll do is I've just reloaded that page, and you can see it's 8:44, and it's the 8th of April, and it's Glasgow Baillieston. So yeah, there's the date and time, and what I'll do is, yeah, I've already spoke about this page. I will go to my affiliate program. Now I have spent, I'll just go back to this page just before I go. To join the Yoonla Elite, you're paying for the Yahoo Small Business and the Get Response. Once you've done that, you become an affiliate for this program. And here's my affiliate page, just to show you that this is my page and it's not a screenshot. I'm going to reload this for you, and you will see that I have made $808. Now if I go into Google and type in dollar to pound, because I'm in the UK, and I type in 808, that's £573 I have made. Now I spent around about 60 £60 roughly for the Yahoo Small Business and Get Response, and around about £60 for marketing and working with ads. And you don't always make money with every ad. You have to optimize it, change the words, and that's what I did. So I obviously changed some ads, changed the working around it, on what type of picture I was using, what words I would use, and I think I found out a way where if I spend money, I can make far more than what I'm spending. So I've spent around about 120, and I have made 573. Now that's obviously a lot more than what I've spent, and that as I go on with this program, I will be spending far less, and I will be making a lot more. So this is really important, and if you want to make money online, I will show you how I do that if you are willing to take the next step. Um, remember, To make money online, you have to spend money online. Now, the great thing about Yoonla is you're not paying to become an actual affiliate. You're paying for two things that you need in the marketing industry. Affiliate, the making money online, you need a Get Response account and you need a Yahoo Business account. Even if you don't want to promote Yoonla, you can promote any other affiliate program, but those two things are necessary for you to make money online. So unlike other programs where they ask you to pay to become a member of the program, you're not paying to become an affiliate for Yoonla. You're paying for two things that you need anyway to make money online. So that's why I think this company is very good, and I can see myself making a lot of money because I think I've found out how to put my ad up in a way where I can actually make more money than what I'm spending. So if you are interested and you really want to do it, first things first, you have to go back and you have to do these 7 steps. Once you've done the 7 steps, contact me and I will help you fill out this last step and try and set you up as soon as possible. And then what I'll do is I have a Facebook group, which is a private group, but anyone that does sign up, I will make a separate private group just for you guys, and I'll show you exactly what I do and how I'm making money online. So don't delay. You know, take a risk. It's about that's how I make money online. Sometimes you have to take a risk, and this risk is obviously paid off. And I would never promote anything that I don't believe in. So sign up, go back to your page, sign in, watch these 7 videos. Let me know once you've done it, and if and that you're and that lets me know that you're serious. I will then show you exactly what I've done, and I've been able to make $808, and I'll show you exactly what I did. So just to give you a quick overview, on the 4th of April, sorry, on the 2nd of April, I made $178. So it is possible. That is possible, and I will help everywhere where I can to make sure you succeed. So if you like this video, let me know. Give it a thumbs up on YouTube for me. Subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos, and leave comments in the section below just to let me know what else I should have done or what else you'd like to know about. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you on the inside.